Hi, I'm Beelzebub. Welcome to my gardens. We're going to start off over here on the west side garden. It's a little first time for me growing potatoes in a little bucket. We're going to see if I get any. In about a week, I'm going to dump them out. Behind them, we got two zucchini plants. We're going to see how that goes. There's my tomatoes. Got five there. I got a mixture of Roma's Super Sweet 100 and Oxheart. They're just getting a little out of hand. I need to get a little better at trellising them, but we'll save that for next season. There's our Swiss chard that randomly is growing from seed from last year. We got some sweet alyssum on the corner of all the beds here. I just love the way it looks when you look down the aisle. Beyond that, we got some peppers and the archway, the piece de resistance. We'll focus on that in a bit here. But what's down here? Behind the alyssum, got some pepperoncinis, some flowers. That one's popping off. And behind that, look at all those ready to pick. Just loaded up. And behind that, we got some green bells growing. There's some amaranth. First time growing that, it's loaded up. It's weighted into the aisleway. Behind that, we got some zinnias, another first time growing. I'm gonna definitely keep growing these. I'm very impressed with the way these flowers perform in the garden. They look cool, bringing a lot of pollinators, and just they look sweet. And there's the archway. The green beans, the pool beans are finally growing to the top. We got some dragon's tongue and purple ones. Oh yeah, I can't wait for them to start producing some pods. And then some more amaranth, going crazy. It's not ready to harvest yet. Very soon, very soon. Let's take a look at these peppers. Oh, we got some banana peppers. Yeah, they're ready. I'm gonna be picking them tomorrow. We're gonna make some stuffed banana peppers. Delicious. Jalapenos. Then I forget the name of these peppers. Under the amaranth. Just admire that thing. Man, they're crazy. But these guys, the purple ones. I forget what they're called. They are spicy. Very delicious. And on the far side of the garden, we got some edamame soybeans. Hopefully we get some pods. I didn't think the amaranth would ever take this much, but man, it's crazy. But yeah, it looks so cool. It's a grain you could harvest, multiple purpose. You can even eat the leaves. But yeah, this is the west side garden. Let's head on over to the other. Here's the east garden. It's a little smaller than the other one, but it's just as compact. We got some leeks and some bunching onions in the front. Some nasturtiums. Cucumbers galore. Cattle panel trellis the flex. Now we got some garlic, some celery, and tucked in behind that some dill. But look at this garlic. Oh, those heads are getting good. Have a good harvest of that. Celery. Kind of struggling under the behemoth Brussels sprout plant. Hopefully we get some good Brussels sprouts this year. Let's start breaking them off. The Brussels is warm, but it's not time yet. Behind that, we got some cantaloupe going up the trellis. And blueberry plants in the buckets there. They're here, very slow in the growth. I dug them up out of the ground. I put them in buckets that way I can control the soil, make it more acidic. And yeah, cucumbers though. Man, look at the flowers. Fallen Comrade B. Don't mind that. I don't use any pesticides. I don't know how it died, but look at these. Baby cucumber. I should have picked that earlier. Look at that growth. Just gotta get that up off the ground on a trellis. And man, there's bees buzzing around everywhere as I'm filming this. But look at all those flowers. Nasturtiums on the corner. More nasturtiums. Very beautiful plant. Snow peas, birds have been destroying that as it's been getting hotter. They've been eating the tops, eating the pods. Crazy. Got some beetroot. Gotta harvest them soon. Cool. Some Swiss chard on the corner. I love the way the stalks have multicolors. Very eye-catching. Behind that, got some mustard. Ozuna, I think. Don't quote me. Behind that, I got some radishes I didn't pull. Cantaloupe on the trellis. Cilantro that's got the flower. Some romaine esclevis, I forget the name of it, and some moon stars watermelon vines. I'm just going crazy. Going into my potted stuff that I find a home for. My rosemary and thyme, and my strawberries that I had to plant in my raised beds out in the other garden that I'm working on. These flowers, I forget their name, but I love them. They're awesome. They're astonishing. Behind that was some catnip, and yeah, stick around, like, subscribe for some more.